Now I am giving you that video of rounding of numbers. Very important. That how will we round the number. It's the video number of 20. Question first is saying to you that round 27, 23, 25 to the nearest 10. We want to round to the nearest 10. So 27, when are we selecting? We are looking, it's our that unit, it's our 10. So that we want to that round to the nearest 10. So unit 10. 10 is your 2. So read the multiple of 10 which is near to that 27. So we will look that if we are reading the multiple of 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30. So we can select the multiple as our 30 and 20. Or in general you can say that whatever number is present at the 10th place, that the multiple of that at that time and multiple of that to the 1 up time you can say. So it is 30, it is 20. The nearest multiple of 10 to the 27 can be that 20 and 30. It is our what? Round up. It will be called as our round up. It will be called as our round down. So since they are saying that to the nearest 10, so we will go to the nearest, we will go to the tens, unit 10, and on the right side of that we will select the number. The meaning is that they are saying to the nearest 10, so we will go to the 10th one digit, and whatever digit is present on that right side of that place, that we will select. And for 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, for this we will round up. We will round up. And for 4, 3, 2 and 1 we will round down. We will round down. We will round down. So you are looking that we have the number 27 and we want to that round it to the nearest 10. So we will write the multiple of 10 which is near to that 27. Down it can be that 20, up it can be 30, and we will select the number which is on the right side, one right side of the nearest tens digit. So unit tens digit, right side is coming 7. So you are looking for 7, what will we do? We will round up. For 7 we will round up. So your answer will be 30. So where are you that rounding that 27? That answer will come 30. Now we shall move to the 23. This 23 we will select. Nearest 10 we want to that round off. So round down, that multiple of 10 will be 20. Round up, that multiple will be 30. One more than this unit and one more than 30 and the same multiple here. And we will select the number present at the right side of the place. number present at the right side of the place, and there is what? 3. 3. For 3 we will round down. So answer will be 20. In the same way, we can have that 25. For 25, that up multiple will be 30, down multiple will be 20, and we will select that on the right side of the 10th place. So at the right side of the 10th place is your unit place, and that is 5. And for 5, please note, no, so many will have the confusion for 5. Of course, for 5 we will round up. So our answer will become 30 here. Okay. Next, they are saying that to round this 4, 5, 6, 8, 4, 4, 9, 3, 3, 4, 2, 7 to the nearest 100. So first number we are selecting, it is our nothing but 4, 5, 6, 8 here, and we want to select, we want to that round to the nearest 100. So nearest 100, that unit 10, 100 here. So that at the place of 100, 5 is present. So that 100, that multiple of 100, 5 times. Multiple of 100, 5 times. So 100 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 500. And then after multiple of 100, one up time, meaning is that 5 plus 1, 6, and 100 multiplied by 6 will give us 600. I have told you that they are saying you to write the nearest, rounding to the nearest 100. So we shall that read the multiple near to that 568, and near to the 568, 500 and 600 will be present. In other way we can say whatever number will be present at that place, that times of that 100 and one upside. So one upside means 5 plus 1, 600. Next task is to select the number present on that right side. So number present on that right side is our 6. So for 6, what will we do? It's nothing but our round up. It's nothing but our round down, and we have selected the number present on that right side of that place given to us. So place was that our 100, and on the right side of that 6 is coming, and for 6 we will round up. So we will select this 600, and this 600 we will write here, and our answer will become 4600. Please note in your mind that 600 you will not give as your answer. That 4600 will be your answer. 4, after that you will start from here. Of course you can look that this 4568, it will come between that 4500 and 4600, isn't? And this in between this we will have that 4568. Between 4500 and 4600, 4568 will be present. And we have seen that when we have round this to the nearest 100, we have gone to the number present at the 100, that was 5. So 100 multiple of 100, 5 times 500, 1 up times 600, and we have our next task is to select the number present at the right side. Number present at the right side is 6. So for 6 we will round up, that will become 600, and this 600 we will write here, and that our number will become 4600. So of course, since we were that rounding up, so we will move this side. This will give us 4600. Okay. Second one number is our 4493. We want to that round to the nearest 100. So it's our unit 10, 100. So we will read the multiple of 100 near to this 4. So near to the 4, nearest 100 will be what? 1 more than 4 means 500. And whatever number is present here, 4 is present. So 100 4s are 400. And after reading the multiple, we will select the number present at the right side of the place. So the place is our 100. On the right side of it, 9 is present. And for 9, what will we do? Round up. So we will select what? 500. And you will not give 500 as your answer. You will say that now the number will become 4500 will be your answer. You can look once again that 4493 will be present. 4493 will be present between 4400 and 4500. Is it? In between somewhere this 4493 will be present. And after rounding off, we are looking that we are going up. Isn't it? We have read the multiple, we have selected the number present on that right side of the place, and that is 9, and for 9 we will round up. So this 4493 will go to the 4500 since we are rounding up. So it is the second one answer, 4500. So we have seen that 4, 5, 6, 8, when were we rounding off, we were getting that 4600. So if anyone is giving to you 4568 rupees, so you can now say that means I have 4600, nearest will be that 4600. And that 4493 we have seen it was coming that 4500. You can think if you have that 4493 rupees, so nearest to the 100 you can say I have 4500 rupees. Now we shall move to the third one. This 3427 we want to round off to the nearest 100. Unit 10, 100 at the 100 place 4 is present. So that multiple of 100 4 time will be that 400, and 1 up time means 500. It is our round up. It is our round down. Now what is the next step? We will go to the number present at the right place of the place given to us. So the place given to us is that nearest 100. At the right side of 100, what is present? 2 is present. So where the 2 is coming, student? 2, for 2 we will round down. So for 2 we will round down. So 400 we will write. The meaning is that our answer will be 3400. At the place of 427 we will write 400. And we can look as well that this 3427 will come between 3400 and 3500. Isn't? It will come between 3400 and 3500. Somewhere here it will be present, and we have seen that we will round down in this case. We will read out that unit 10 100 place is 4, so the multiple of 100 4 times is round down. 1 up means 4 plus 1 5 times 500, and we will select the digit present at the right side, and digit present at the right side is 2. For 2 we will round down. So for round down, where will we go? We will go this side. For round up, and for round down, for round up we will go to the left side, and for round down we will go to the left side. For round up we will go to the right side. So you can also write it. For round up, right side. For round down, that left side. It's the general way. Now, miss, I have represented this line horizontally. If you will represent that vertically, that meaning will get changed. But miss, now you can ignore this right side, left side. Miss, this thing should be clear to you. Okay. So it's second problem. Next problem, that round 349 and 468 to the nearest 100. So for 349, this one is your unit 10 100. So that we want to that round to the nearest 100. So that unit 10 100 is your 3. So that round down will be 300, round up will be 400, isn't? Multiple of 100 to the 3 times, multiple of 100 to the 1 up time 400. It's our round up, it's our round down, isn't? And after doing this, what will we do? We will go to the digit present at the right place of the place given to us. Place given to us is the nearest 100. So on the right side of 100, what is present? 4. And for 4, what will we do? Please remember, 4, we will round down. Is it? So for 4, we will round down. Meaning is that 300 will come at the place of 100. This unit 10 100. What will we write? 300 we will write. So answer will become 300. Getting? If you have 349 rupees, so the meaning is that I have only 300 rupees. Getting? In the same way, we can move to the second one as well. And second one is saying to us, what is that present? 468 is present, and we want to round up to the nearest 100. So you need 10, 100. At the 100 place 4 is present. So that multiple of 100, 4 time, multiple of 100, 5 time will become 500. It is nothing but our round up. It is our nothing but round down. Next task is to select the number present on the right side of the place given to us. So place given to us is the nearest 100. So on that right side 6 will come, and for 6 what will we do? We will round up. So at the place of 468 what will come? 500. So your answer will become 500. Getting? Next is that round 99555,995 to the nearest 10,000 and nearest lakh. So number is your first we are doing is 99555,995, and we want to that first is saying to round to the nearest 10,000. So that unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000 to the 10,000. So what will we do? At the 10,000 place what is present? 5 is present. So that read the multiple of 10,000 5 times. That will give us what? 10,000 5 times will give us 50,000. Isn't? And 1 up time means multiple of 10,000 6 times will give us 60,000. Next task is to select the number present at the right side of the place given to us. So place given to us is the 10,000, and we will select the number which is present at the right side of that. At the right side of that place what is present? 5 is present, and for 5 what do? We round up. It is round up. It is round down. So for 5 we will round up. So at this place what will we write? 60,000. So this will become 60,000 here, and the answer will come out is 995,640. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Correct. Okay. Next, second one. What the second one is doing? Saying to the nearest lakh. Number is our 99,555,995. So up to the nearest lakh, how can we go? That unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh is coming. So at the place of lakh 5 is coming. So read the multiple of lakh 5 times. That will give us what? 5 lakh. And 5 lakh how will you write? In this way. 5 lakh. How many zeros will be there? 5 zeros will be there, and 1 up time will give us 6 lakh. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So next task is to select the number present on the right side of the place given to us. So place given to us is lakh. Number present on the right side of that is our 5. And for 5, what will we do? We will round up. So at this place, what will we write? 6 lakh. So this 5 zeros in the lakhs. Okay. So number will become Your answer will become 9956 and 5 zeros. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Something is going wrong, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is coming. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 5. In 6 left. Sorry student, I was doing wrong in writing the answer. Answer will be 9, 9, and from here we will write 6 lakh. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer will become this. Getting? Next problem is that round this number to the nearest 10 million and nearest billion. So for this we shall solve the first one first. For that we will select the number. This is nothing but our 374 583 2935. So we want to that round it to the nearest 10 million. So first we shall write this 3, 36, 39, 10 number are present. 10 number is also present there. So unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Look student, million and billion will come in that international system. So we will read international system here, and after 10,000 what will come? Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 will come here. Thereafter billion, million, 10 million and 100 million will come, and then after here we will have billion. So we want to that round up to the 10 million. So we will select this 4 here and will read out the multiple of 10 million to the 4 time. So multiple of 10 million to the 4 time will give us 40 million. There will be 7 zeros. And 1 up to the 4 means 5 times the 10 million, multiple of 10 million to the 5 times, that will give us 50 million, and 50 million will be this. Next task is to select the number present on that right side of the place given to us. So the place given to us is 10 million. So number right side to that is our 5. And for 5, please remember that we will round up. So for 5 we will round up. So this I will round up, and this number I will write from the place given to us, means from here. Okay, you will keep this point in your mind. This round up number we will start writing from the place given to us, means this will become here, and there will be 3, 3, 6, 7 zeros, and the number will become this 3, 7, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This will be our answer. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. This be unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and million. Okay. So this will be the first answer of us. Okay. Next move to the second one. Second one, they are saying us to round up to the nearest billion. round up to the nearest billion. So second one we are selecting, that number is our 37458329335. Once again we will read out, and we will read out in that international system since million and billion is present. So unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, then after million, 10 million, and 100 million, then after billion will come. So we want to that round up to the nearest billion. So what will we do? We will select this 3 here, and billion, the multiple of billion 3 times will give us what? 3 billion, and there will be how many zeros in that 3 billion? 9. 9 zeros will be there in 1 billion, and that multiple of 1 billion to the 3 times will give us 3 billion, and 1 up of it means that 3, 1 up is 4, so that multiple of 1 billion to the 4 times will give us 4 billion. Isn't it? 9 zeros will come here, and after it what will we do? We will select the number present on that right side. So number present on that right side is 7, and for 7 what will we do? For 7 we will round up. So we will round up here, and this number I will write, from where I will write the place given to us, and the place given to us is billion, and from there I will start writing, and this will become 9 zeros here, and our number will become 4 billion in this case. Okay, so this will become our answer. You can think in your mind as well. Suppose we have the money 3,745,832,935. So we can say that nearly I have 4 billion. So this problem also is very good. Okay. Next, we will move to the that knowing crore, lakhs, thousand, hundred, etc. So for that I am saying that suppose we have 1 crore. 1 crore will have 7 zeros. Means unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore is our 1 crore. And suppose we are getting that how many lakhs are present in 1 crore. So how many lakhs are present in 1 crore? So we want to know that lakh. So 1 lakh, we can write that 5 zeros, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. And we want to know that how many lakhs will be present in 1 crore. So for that, student, I want to tell to you that from 1 crore, here are that 7 zeros, we will divide the 1 lakh. 5 zeros. So these 5 zeros will get cancelled out. No, this one will not cancel. 5 zeros will get cancelled out, and we will have what? 100 here. So answer will become, there will be 100 lakhs. How much? 100 lakhs in 1 crore. You can think in your mind as well. 100 lakhs means 1 crore. How can we do? We can divide 1 crore by 1 lakh. In a similar way, suppose that problem is saying to us that how many 10,000 is present in 10 lakh. So 10 lakh, how will you write that? 10 lakh, 5 zeros. What? You need 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. And that 10,000, how can we write that 10,000? Of course, 10,000 like it. And we want to know that how many 10,000 will be present in 10 lakh. So that 10 lakh, we will divide that by this 10 lakh 336. Okay, 10 lakh we will divide by 10,000. These 4 zeros will get cancelled out and we will have 110,000. 110,000. Sorry, 110,000. So our answer will come out. There will be 110,000 in 110,000 in 10 lakh. Suppose anyone is saying to you that how many 10 millions are present in 1 billion, then in that case, that how many 10 million are there in 1 billion? So 1 billion is nothing but our 9 zeros. Isn't 336, 9, you need 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and billion. 10 million, when are you writing? 10 million is 10 million. You need 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. It will become like it. Now divide this 10 million by, divide the 1 billion by 10 million. Isn't? So this 3, 6, 7 zeros will get cancelled out. 3, 6, 7 will get cancelled out, and there will be 110 million in 1 billion. It will be our answer. So in this way you can think for the other numbers also. it was present in this knowing crore lakhs thousand hundred. You can practice more about it from your mind. The idea I have given to you. Enough for today.